What's up, everybody? Tim Springer, Spartan Basketball, back with another car series. Look, I got a great message for you. We're just getting out of camp right now. Day 2 of the Danny Green camp. Great day today. I mean, the level of intensity that the kids brought today was amazing. We really got after it, got better. And they're starting to facilitate that. And I think that's really great because that's a key fundamental that as a basketball player in your training, but I think in anything we do in life, you know, it's real easy to get caught up in wanting to sit back when someone's organizing something or someone's got structure for you, to sit back in that structure and not put our own 2 cents into that or put our own effort into that, and to kind of amplify that structure or amplify the event, whatever it may be, training for the instance we're talking about. Meaning that, you know, we talked to the kids at one point where they took a lot of time waiting for us to set up the drill after they've been taught what it was. But what we wanted, and what mature basketball players do, is they run the drill. You know, once the players know the drill, the coach shouldn't have to run the drill. The coach should just have to give the corrections within the repetitions. And that's where we really push our players to be, especially in camp or even with teams, because they're around us a lot more. And that's where you got to find yourself in life. I want you to really look at these structures that you got going on in life, or these organizations or situations, and find out, where can you add more to it? Are you just sitting waiting for the next person to run it for you or organize it for you or whatever it may be? Or where can you take initiative? Because the truth of the matter is, well, number one, when there's 2 people or multiple people working to conduct the situation or the event, training, whatever it is, then it's more effective. 2, when the people who are actually involved in it, who are getting the training or whatever it is, or within the structure organization, they get more out of it when they become a part of it. They take ownership, so to speak. So you really got to think about those things. Now, obviously, if you're a basketball player, you're listening to this, think about that next time you're at practice, or you're at a camp, or you're doing drills, whatever it may be. But if you're not, think about that as well. Because where can you add the value? Where can you add help in facilitating whatever's going on, whether it be training or whatever we talked about? So think about those. You'd be surprised what happens. I got Big Tim with me. Let me tell you about Big Tim. I'm super proud of Big Tim. 12 to 6 today. He went for 6 hours straight. This man's not even 4 years old yet. He's 2 weeks away, 1 week away from being 4 years old. And he's in there with 3rd and 4th graders, getting it in, training, doing a great job, hitting game-winning shots. So, Tim, is there anything you want to say? For some reason, we're thinking about Angry Birds after a great day of basketball. Well, either way, take care, God bless. Make sure you apply what you learn.